The molecule that I have chosen is epinephrine, more widely known as adrenaline. I've been rowing since I was 13 years old. Both training and particularly racing require heavy amounts of adrenaline in the system in order to perform at your peak. The adrenaline prepares the body for flight. From the first stroke to the last stroke, I can row at my full capacity. This is why adrenaline not only relates to me personally, but is a crucial contributing factor for success in my chosen sport. Upon observing the structure, it is clear the assembly of the ring will have more stability, as the double bonds can swap with the single bonds, giving more steadiness than otherwise expected. This is known as aromaticity. When looking at the alcohol functional bonding, the OH groups directly bonded to the benzene ring structure are actually phenyl functional groups. They are similar to alcohol OH groups at the other end of the molecule, but slightly different reactions. Alkane groups like CH3 are not usually considered functional because they create little reaction themselves. However, they assist in developing the overall reaction of the molecule. The nitrogen you can see in the structure has formed 3 bonds instead of 4, as an atom of nitrogen already has a lone pair of electrons in its outermost valence shell. The other 3 single electrons are used in making covalent bonds with other atoms. So, this gives you a total of 3 covalent bonds and 1 pair of electrons in its outer shell. Adrenaline presents itself in stressful, necessary situations. When these flight or fight situations occur, the brain sends a message to the adrenal gland, which in turn produces adrenaline, which pumps into the bloodstream, preparing the muscles for action. It binds with the receptors, which means it reacts with the receptors in the cells. If it had a different shape, it wouldn't be able to react with these receptors. Adrenaline is the key to open the door to 100% efficiency. If we have the wrong key, we are unable to open this door. Adrenaline is thus just the right shape. Hence, without the structure and function of adrenaline, which in turn allows for ultimate proficiency, I would not be able to row, compete, and reap the rewards at the level I do.